the seventh product then.
7 there, but there are only 5 here.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a special guest, my dad.
Hi.
Okay. So in today's video, we're going to play a game which I've seen many YouTubers play. I'm going to show him my makeup products and he's going to guess the product and also guess the price. I know this has been 2 different videos for many YouTubers, but I'm just going to combine everything in today's video. So do you want to begin the game round? Are you ready to play?
Yes. So far I've only been swiping my credit card for all your shopping. Let me actually get to see what you buy and how expensive they are.
Wish my dad luck, guys. So I'm going to start with my first product, which is this. So Daddy, can you guess what this is? I'll show you, I'll clip it up for you if you want.
This is a lip balm.
Okay, great. But how much does it cost? It is correct, it is a lip balm.
Which brand is this?
Nykaa's.
Nykaa's own brand. So it will be around 200 rupees.
Close, it's 150. So you can spare him a mark for that. So my next product is this. If you guys know what this is, good. But Daddy, what do you think this is?
I don't know. Is this a compact or something?
No, it's not. Tell me, what do you think this is?
I have no idea.
It's from Huda Beauty. So what do you think Huda Beauty is famous for? Or
You keep talking about a palette from Huda Beauty.
yes. So what kind of a palette is it? Is it for the face? Is it for the lips? Is it for blush?
This must be the first for the face.
Face as in which part of the face?
Face is so small. What do you mean which part of the face?
You have
the
eyes,
cheeks.
you have cheeks, you have lips, you have highlighters.
Maybe the cheeks.
No, it's not. This is the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. Guess how much this will cost now?
My God. $1,000?
No.
More or less?
It's more, obviously.
God, you've been ripping me off buying these kind of products. 1,500?
Nope.
2,000?
Close.
2,500?
2004.95.
So that's good as 500. So expensive.
Obviously, it's Huda Beauty.
And how long does this last?
I haven't used it up yet. I mean, I have.
So
So
when
it's
you-
broken.
so
I'm
when-
sure you guys would have seen it. But I don't. It takes a long time. I mean,
Next
it
5
takes
years?
yeah.
5 years?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, then it's fine.
So the next product is this. So Daddy, what do you think this is?
Lip gloss.
No, it is like you. Are you done guessing, or do you want to guess more?
This is for the lips, right?
It's a dual use. You can use it for your lips and somewhere else.
Lip highlighter or something?
No. You can use for your lips. Okay, you can use. This is a cheek tint mostly, but you can also use it for your lips.
What is it called?
It's called Poise Tint by Benefit. So how much do you think this small kutti dabba costs?
500 rupees?
No.
1,000?
Yeah.
This is 1,000
1,000
bucks.
what?
1,000 plus?
Yes.
1,300?
Nope.
1,500?
Nope.
1,800?
1,720.
My God, these products are pretty expensive. Oh.
It's so small that also even I don't understand why. Even though Benefit is like a US brand, they should even bring Indian brands which make affordable makeup and make it in India.
Yeah, I know. Atmanirbhar India. Yeah.
Yes. So the next product is, I'm giving you a hint. It's a skincare product. So what do you think this is? Look me like it's a liquid or something.
Some face foam or something like foam wash.
It's not. It's a toner. You usually use a toner to close up your pores. So how much do you think this dabba
This
costs?
Indian or this is a foreign one?
This is Indian. Khadi Gold.
Okay. Then it must be around 400 rupees.
No?
It's more expensive?
No, it's less. It's actually worth the money it comes in.
200?
Nope.
300?
Nope. It's 125.
Good. You
Actually 125.
can, I approve purchase of more of these products. You can buy
And
as
also
many as you
guys,
want.
I think I have made many videos with this. This is almost like my favorite product. And if you haven't watched the video, I'll link it down in the description. So please do purchase this. It is very good.
Let me see this.
We still have a good 7 products to go, and the next product is this. What do you think this is?
No, give me a hint. I can't.
It's kind of a spray, but what spray is it?
Facial spray.
You're right. I mean, it's a makeup fixer, but okay, yeah, facial spray. So how much do you think this is?
This is Indian. This is a foreign product.
Foreign.
So it must be 1,500 rupees.
1,050.
1,000.
But yeah, you're close. He guessed the 1,000, so it is close. The next product, again, I'm giving you a hint. It is a skincare product. So what is this, Daddy? What do you think?
Aren't all these skincare products? What
No.
are you using? No.
That is makeup, and this is skincare.
Okay.
So what is this?
Looks like some kind of a cream.
Okay.
Foundation cream or something. I don't know.
It's skincare. How does foundation come in skincare?
I don't know.
This is Clay Cool mask. It's like a facial mask to remove all your impurities and all after you apply makeup. So this is how it looks.
Okay. This is after you.
After
when
you
you're
wash
removing
your
the makeup.
face, or if you feel like there's a lot of dirt or impurities on your face, you can use this. So how much do you think this costs?
This is imported
Nykaa Clay Cool.
or Nykaa. So about 600 rupees.
Exactly 600. It's 599, so it is 600.
Good.
Did you see the price or something?
No, I didn't.
Sure?
I just guessed.
Didn't you know?
I heard the brand and I said okay, it can't be more than 1,000. So I guess.
But Nykaa's it doesn't mean Nykaa hai to it can't be 1,000
No,
above.
when I say if it's I see imported essentially because the pricing is in dollars, it will be expensive.
Yeah, definitely, yes. So the next product is this. So what is this? What do you think this is?
Foundation?
No?
I don't know.
It is a blush. So
Okay.
how much do you think this blush costs? You can hold it because it doesn't have a price tag.
Which
I
brand
think
is
it
this?
doesn't. No, it doesn't. It does it? No, it doesn't. This is Maybelline's blush.
Okay, so 1,500.
No. Maybelline is a drugstore product. Huda Beauty is some brand which will be about 1,000. This is like you get this in the chemist also.
Okay, 500.
450.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give it 440 actually. I'll give it off to him. Chalo. So the next product is this. What do you think this is, Daddy?
This is what you use in the, the eyelashes, no?
Eyelashes?
No?
On the eyelids.
Eyelids.
I didn't get the eyelashes. I didn't get the mascara because I knew he would guess it right. So I was a little cunning and I didn't get the mascara. So how much do you think this is?
What is this called, by the way?
You can read it. Lakme Insta Liner.
Oh, Lakme. This will be some 300 rupees.
Nope. It's cheaper.
200?
Nope.
150.
120.
Okay.
So yeah, this is a good buy. I still use this liner even though there are many liners in the market, but this is like my go-to liner. So the next product is this. I don't think you guys can see it. It is this. So yeah, Daddy, what do you think this is?
Looks like some Fevikwik or something, I don't know.
It is, but it is a Fevikwik for what?
Sticking something on your nails?
No, it is an eyelash adhesive.
Oh,
So
okay.
how much do you think this retails for?
This is Indian, right?
I don't know. Please do comment down if Miss Claire is an Indian brand or not.
What is it? How
Because
do you
I
spell
don't
it?
know. Miss Claire. MISSCLEIR.
150?
No, it's a little more than 150.
200?
A little more than 200.
250?
295.
Hmm.
But this does not like this. You can use it for like 2-3 months straight. It's not something that it will.
No, anyway, you're not going to use
khali.
it every day for
Yeah, that's
sticking.
what.
Okay. So how many? I've only got 2 out of 9 right so far, right?
Yeah, I think he got this Clay Cool mask from Nykaa and the lip balm exactly correct, like almost exactly correct. But this he got it on point. So yeah, he got 2 out of 9.
9.
He got 2 out of 9 for now. So there are 2 more products, so we'll check how much he gets. So the next product is this.
What on earth is that? What on earth is that? I can't-
Guess, you have to guess.
Looks like a forceps, so I don't know what it is.
This is when you put eyelashes, you can't, like, some people are not comfortable putting it with their hands, so they lift it and then they adjust their lashes with this.
Okay.
So how much do you think this retails for?
50 rupees.
No, 150.
Okay.
50 rupees. So the next final product is this. What do you think this is, Dad?
I don't know.
You can hold it. No, you can't hold it. Sorry.
I can't
It's
guess it.
written. The name is written.
I
This is
can't
a
guess.
foundation.
Oh,
And it's
I've
from-
seen those foundations usually compact. Is it? They're also
Those
for-
are compact. These are foundations which come with a spray.
Spray.
Not spray, like nozzle is a foundation. Not all foundations come with a nozzle, but all
Okay.
these high-end brands come with nozzles. So this is from Fenty Beauty. So Fenty Beauty is a brand who is which
Which
is
is-
owned by Rihanna. If you guys know the singer Rihanna,
Oh,
it's owned
yes,
by
yes.
her. Yeah.
Okay.
So how much do you think this is?
1,500.
No, not even close.
It's more or less.
More.
I'm paying for all this.
Yeah.
3,000.
I mean, this has been, I think, 2 years, and I don't think I've even completed half of it. So
Okay. So then 4,000,
no, lesser than that.
3,000.
2,000-3,000 आगे पीछे, but it is 2,619 bucks.
Okay.
So this is actually a good foundation to use.
Okay.
So coming to the summary of the whole game, my dad has only gotten 2 marks out of 11, which is very bad because he's the one who buys my makeup from Nykaa. So I
Where do I
expected.
get to see all these products?
No, I expected you because you go through my shopping list and then he buys it.
I don't. You just put something on your mobile app on Nykaa and just say pay for it. I'm a banker. I end up paying. I
What?
generally ask you why is it so expensive? Why is it?
Yeah, I mean, obviously makeup is expensive. Like
So-
you know there are more organic products coming and that'll even be more expensive.
Okay.
Because he was telling me to go into the line of organic. Like if I want to start my own makeup brand, he's like try going organic.
Okay. Let
So
me
that's
ask you
why.
now. We've seen 11
Products,
different
yeah.
products today. One of them, of course, is more of a it's more
It's
not
an
a product.
yeah.
It's an implement. Okay, it's a tool.
Mm-hmm.
Now there are 10. As a part of, let's say, a routine makeup that you do, how many more different products do you use?
No, as in if you ask if I want to go out, like just outside the house,
Okay, let's say ordinary makeup. You're going to
like on an
outside.
everyday basis, like if I were to go to college, I would use my only 5 products. I don't use foundation
you
on a
don't
daily
use
basis.
any of these.
No, I don't use any of that except the blush and the lip balm.
Okay.
Yeah,
So-
I don't use any
okay.
of them.
Then the other question is, if you were to do an extensive makeup, you're going for a function, an event, maybe a wedding, reception, or something like that. Then how many more products? would
It
you end up
depends. Like
using?
if it's a guest wedding, like I'm very close to the person who's getting married. Obviously, I will exaggerate or put more makeup products onto my face to look more glam and more festive looking. You can say
How many more products? So just
another 5 probably. Not instead of a Fit Me foundation which is 500, I would use the Fenty Beauty foundation instead because that stays on for a longer period
That's
of
okay.
time.
No, I just want to know because I'm not really familiar with most of the terminologies that you use in makeup. But from a common man's understanding, I just want to know because all I knew until you started using makeup was there's some compact foundation which mom used to use. That's
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it. I didn't know, and maybe a lipstick once here or there. I didn't know all this is.
My
alien.
mom still uses she doesn't even use a compact, she only uses like a lipstick and kajal.
Yeah. So other than these, all these products are completely new to me. So I just want to know if somebody has to do an extensive makeup. I've heard some of these other terminologies like a highlighter or a blush and all that. I don't know. I'm still not sure about which is used for what. But I'm just saying range of products. From a range of products, there were 10, 11, 12, 15. What is the number?
If you put it all together, it'll be like 12.
Okay.
All together, it will be 12. Yeah, including from the starting of makeup, from primer to fixing spray to the highlighter, it will be like around 12
In all
products.
about 12.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting because I think over the years makeup has definitely evolved
Yeah,
and more so in
definitely,
India.
definitely.
Yeah, and the good
I
thing
mean, even
is
the trends in makeup have improved.
They have
Not
changed.
improved, they have changed. Yeah.
yeah, and with let's say good brands, international brands, although they are expensive, I'm sure they're good because they must have researched quite a lot before they launch. And more people are taking to it also because people like to present themselves better when you go out, especially for events and things like that. So this generation also is using a lot of makeup products. So in that sense, I think the scope for beauty products in India is only going to get more from here.
Yeah, now even like India is starting many makeup products like Ruby Organics. There's so many other
Brands which are coming up. Yeah,
many
okay,
brands.
okay, good.
I think Blur India is also one of the brands I've known.
Okay, good. That's nice. Interesting. So at least it's good to know that some of these things which you use, and I also get a sense of what the price of these is. And now I know why you're.
Why I keep coming to you with the
when you buy
phone.
something on Nykaa, I know why they are so expensive. So I think all the imported brands are expensive. Okay.
So all the girls who are around my age and still are dependent on their parents, please do watch this video and just give it a thought about what my dad said. So yeah, just show it to your parents and make them understand why you need makeup and why it is so important to you if in case you want to make it like a career in your life. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked a fun session with my dad, also an informative one. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to become a part of the Potato Fam. So bye guys.
Bye.